Sarah, can you tell us about your story now?
I got married with a British guy
How many years ago?
10 to 15 years ago. I was too young anyway.
You were too young, right?
Yeah,
you
he
were.
was approaching my friend and I was...
How old was he? The British guy?
He's around 50 something.
He was 50 something.
54, 55.
54, 55, and you were underage. You were still a kid, right?
Yeah, I was around 17, 18 that
17, 18. ये भाई underage थी, adult भी नहीं हुई थी. भाई मेन रोड से रास्ता लंबा है तो इधर से कच्चा रास्ता जा रहा था. पर है तो यहाँ पे नाला, इसके साथ से गुजरेंगे. Yes, Sarah. So you were underage. He was 54 or 55.
Yeah.
And then, how did the marriage happen? How did you agree to marry such an old guy?
I did not agree. I went to school. So before I come, I find out some people at the house.
Yeah.
And I asked them what's going on. They tell me like they have sent call for you. I said with who? They say with this guy named...
So this British guy paid money to your father to get married to you.
Yeah.
And then you had to agree.
Yeah, but I cannot do nothing about it. And he told me you have to teach you how to take care of a husband because I don't know what is husband or boyfriend, girlfriend.
Okay.
I only go playing from school, going up and down. When he came back to Gambia, an African village with some guys who was staying in my father's house.
Okay.
So when I was working, they asked me to come to the hotel and they told me, come and answer. And that day he was saying I would get a fresh meat, but I didn't know the meaning of that fresh meat he was saying.
He said that you are going to get fresh meat.
He will get fresh meat.
Okay.
But I did not know the meaning of that word. And I eat finished. The only thing I do just tell the man, can you please step outside? I want to sleep here with my friend.
Yeah.
And he said, okay. Then I saw the girls going out.
Yeah.
And the man came inside the house. But nobody helped me.
Okay.
He didn't see my half of my left head, but he's just removed my trouser. And he gets close to me. She used something on his thing. It's just like a cream. He used that one to force on me.
So he basically forced himself on you.
Yeah.
And he drugged you to do that.
Yeah, because when I was...
So that you can't resist.
Yeah,
So you were
I
drugged.
found out after what's going on. The only thing I know,
Yeah.
when I wake I see some blood
Okay.
under the
And you-
bed.
You were not conscious or in your complete senses when this was happening, right?
No.
Because you were drugged.
Yeah.
Okay. Basically, this man got married to you only to take your virginity.
Yeah.
And because initially you were underage, you did not agree to do it. So he basically drugged you and forced himself on you,
Exactly.
basically raping you, right?
That's what we call rape.
तो भाई अब मैं आपको आसान भाषा में समझाता हूँ. इनकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी कम समझ में आती है. दरअसल ये थी अंडरेज 17-18 साल की पूरी नहीं हुई थी. 54-55 साल का एक ब्रिटिश आदमी आता है यहाँ पे और इसको बेसिकली इसकी फैमिली को इतना पैसा ऑफर करता है कि इसके परिवार वाले बोलते हैं कि भी हाँ ठीक है शादी कर ले. इसका मन नहीं था, इसकी शादी करा दी जाती है और शादी होती वो इससे डिमांड करता है इसकी बॉडी और ये बोलती है नहीं अभी मैं नहीं करना चाहती. फिर वो आदमी से ड्रग करता है. जब ये सेंसेज में नहीं होती, इसको पता नहीं होता क्या चल रहा होता है, इसके साथ ज़बरदस्ती करता है और करके इसे छोड़ के वापस यूके चला जाता है परमानेंटली. इन गोरों का ना एक अलग से किंग कह सकते हो आप इसे. ये होता है कि भी जवान लड़के या लड़की यानी कि बच्चों के साथ करना, मतलब जो कि पूरी तरह से ग्रो भी नहीं करे, अडल्ट भी नहीं हुए, तो उस वजह से ये लोग ऐसी नीच हरकतें भी करते हैं. इसका बेसिकली बलात्कार ही किया गया, जो कि मतलब कितनी घिनौनी हरकत है.
My family was thinking that was the best thing for them if I get married. At least I'm the elder from the family.
Yeah.
Maybe something else can change.
You were the eldest one.
Yeah, my father have 4 daughters, so I'm the elder.
Okay.
So he was thinking like if I get married to that man,
Yeah.
things will be better. But luckily things don't go like the way we
Yeah.
expected.
मेरे पीछे भी आप देख रहे हो कैसे गोरी लड़की और यहाँ पे लोकल काले लड़के के साथ जा रही है. ये बेसिकली सेनेगाम्बिया की मेन स्ट्रीट है. दोनों तरफ एक्सचेंज की दुकानें हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स है, कैफ़ेज़ है, खाने की चीज़ें हैं, बैंक्स है, ATM वगैरह है. ये सारी चीज़ें इधर है. इधर से आपको टैक्सीज वगैरह मिल सकती है और शाम के टाइम जब अंधेरा हो जाता है, सनसेट हो जाता है, उसके बाद सारे लोग इधर सैर करते हैं, इधर घूमते हैं. इधर जिनको दोपहर को बीच पे पार्टनर नहीं मिला, लोग यहाँ पे पार्टनर की तलाश करते हैं. बट सारा दैट गाय फ्रॉम UK आफ्टर ही डिड ऑल दैट he left you permanently and went back to the UK?
He left the following day.
He left what?
The following day, after giving those guys money, he left the following day.
तो इसकी कुछ दोस्त थी, उनको भी उस आदमी ने पैसे दिए इसके खाने में जहर मिलाने के लिए. उनको पैसे दिए और the same day he left.
That night, but the refund he said to my mom anyway, she's my wife, she's not my girlfriend, I have to do that.
Yeah.
Because he was not agreed to make love with me.
यहाँ पे कहानी खत्म नहीं होती. इसके साथ एक और बार ऐसी चीज होती है. The second time it happened with the Dutchman, right? The guy was from Holland, right? The second time.
Yeah, after grandma.
How old was he, the second man?
The third man?
Yeah,
He's, I think, the same age.
the same age. He was
Yeah.
also 54, 55.
54 to 55.
पहली शादी तो थी इसकी जब ये 17-18 साल की थी, एक 55 साल के ब्रिटिश आदमी के साथ। दूसरी बारी इसने करी एक नीदरलैंड का आदमी था जब ये 25-26 साल की थी। वो ब्रिटेन वाला आदमी तो इसे छोड़ के चला गया परमानेंटली। फिर एक हॉलैंड का यानी कि नीदरलैंड का आदमी आया, वो भी 54-55 साल का था। वो इसकी दूसरी शादी थी, वो उसने भी सेम चीज़ करी, छोड़ के चला गया। फिर उसके बाद से इसने शादी नहीं करी।